right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Now, today we're back inside our Web3Py favorites module. We're going to be going over a new aspect of the module. We're going to be starting a project introduction. So in this section, we will begin the introduction to the Web3Py favorites project. Now that we have our bytecode and our compilation details, we have to actually create the project itself in Viper. Now that we now that we have the object, we need to do is turn the compilation detail information into a contract object. We would do this by using a tool called Web3.py. Web3.py is a Python library that allows us to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and other EVM compatible blockchains. It's a very powerful tool or library that allows us to do a lot of things, such as interact with smart contracts, send transactions, query the blockchain, create wallets, and much more. The classical way to install Web3Py is to use the pip, which will look something like this. You know how we used this already. We would say pip install Web3 right here. However, we are using a UV tool, so we will use the following command to install a package, which would be UV add Web3. And this will add the package directly into our virtual environment, or VENV, and we'll be able to use it immediately. So let's head over to our actual contract so I can show you what's going on here and show you that we already installed it. We can check our project TAML. Again, this project TAML holds all of the information that's going on in our contract, our dependencies, the versions we're using, so on and so forth. So if we actually successfully installed it into our environment, we should see it in our dependencies. You can see here Web3, and this is the version we're using, 7.11.1. We also installed the Viper. We're using the 0.4.1, and these are the other information that has to do with the project, the name, the version. We can add a description, and we already have the README like we went over previously. Let's go back over here to our actual project. You can see here we have it deployed from Web3. We imported Web3, and then we're going to start initializing it into our project or our contract. And we're not going to go over these steps yet. Like I said, we're going to go over piece by piece and line by line. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.